going on? Furruf? Hey. Who's this?
My furruf.
That's your furruf? Furruf?
He broke one of my 5x5s and now I bought a one.
Whoa.
Love is in the air now.
Love is in the air. So furruf is one of the algorithms for solving
I know
the Rubik's Cube.
But normally, not the speed, not quickly.
That's the one you use for solving the yellow cross on top.
Oh,
Furruf.
I never noticed.
It's fruruf and furruf. Those are the two out. One is if you already have two spots.
Yeah.
And it's basically front
So if somebody
fruruf. So front, right, up, rough, and then R prime, U prime, F prime, front prime.
Of course.
Oh, there's love is in the air.
Yo, give me that.
Love is in the air.
Shush!
Shush! Shush! Shush! Shush! Shush!
Throw it! Oh! It could falling down.
The shusher.
I mean, falling up.
Here we go again. Another ride. Ah! Well, that didn't work out. This time it's not working. I was able to hold it in place earlier. Or maybe it was the other way. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway. Whoa! Ah! Ah!
For real. Okay?
No, I can't. I have the
Put it on here.
camera in my hand now.
Hey.
Can't do it that way. Furruf. Love is in the air.
Time goes by.
Bye, guys.
No.
What do you mean, no?
I want to keep on going.
No, we're done.